Let me go through another question really quick. So, Dr. Islam, I've heard about baking soda and heartburn. What are your thoughts on this? All right, very common question when it comes to gut issues and heartburn. Baking soda, does it work? What's the point? Does it help out? So baking soda is actually a very pretty effective option for some people. Now what baking soda does, it helps to neutralize the acid inside that stomach. And by doing that, you can start to feel a lot better. So things like Alka-Seltzer will have that. Things like Zegrid is an acid medication that has a baking soda, or just regular baking soda, which you put in some water and drink. It helps to neutralize the acid. By and large, baking soda tends to be very safe. There are some side effects you should be aware of. Number one is that it does have interaction with other medications you could be taking. And so keep that in mind. For some people, you may have to adjust the medications that you're on or change it. And for other people too, you may have to maybe adjust some other things you could be taking. Number two is that there could be also side effects of increasing your sodium. Keep in mind, baking soda has a lot of sodium. If you are on a low sodium diet, you're going to destroy that. If you have high blood pressure, your blood pressure may get higher because of the amount of sodium as well. And then lastly, you actually may be masking a real problem. There could be an ulcer inside your stomach. There could be inflammation. There could be something else going on. And that baking soda, especially if you have to take it on a consistent basis, can actually make things a lot more confusing for us as doctors to see what's going on. But by and large, it tends to be safe. I would always recommend speak to your healthcare provider about whether you would benefit from using baking soda.